What's up guys, how's it going? It is Wednesday the 3rd of January. What's going on? Look at my eyes, I'm tired. My eyes. Yesterday I printed these things. It's in the box, ready to go. I'm actually going to be dropping these things off tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, so which is good because it's actually raining outside, and I didn't want to go out in the rain really, but it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Getting started really late on the vlog. Just been kind of tired. The kids went out. Well, actually I took the kids to laser tag. I was gonna go in and vlog, but I had the little one with me. I had the 3-year-old, and I didn't want to bring him in and trying to make sure he doesn't get hurt and vlog at the same time. It's not gonna happen. So today I'm just gonna clean up the ink and the mess here that I made. That's always fun, especially when you're dealing with the poly white inks. Man, they're just difficult to clean. They're just a little bit thicker. What the one I have is. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use to clean. Actually, most of the stuff that I use as of right now is most of the free items that I got, or free samples. Wait, no, it's not samples. It's actually the bigger bottles. So the free stuff that I got from ISS last year. I'm still using the stuff that I got from ISS last year, and that's why I'm kind of going again. I don't want to invest too much of money into this yet, just because I don't have that much money, and I'm self-employed. So bleh. Anyways, let's start cleaning up. I know from yesterday's vlog you guys saw this in the vlog. This is a test Pelon, and I don't know, it just got stuck here. I actually used I'll show you guys what I used. Crack this thing open, the web for the hoodies. Sorry. Yeah, so I used that for the hoodies, and it's just, man, it was just tough to get off. Let's put on some gloves. It's gonna get really messy. The only thing is that I don't really have like I was thinking of getting like a long sleeve shirt, or one of those sleeves, just to do cleanups. And you know, when I'm printing, because well, I don't do it as much now, but when my first couple of jobs, man, I had ink on the sleeve, and you know, maybe it's just because I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't know what I'm doing. I'm still trying to figure out as I go, but you know, thing works out for a reason. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I use Rane, this one, the Supreme Wash, to wash the screens. I got this bottle at ISS. I think I got 2 of these, or 3. This is actually my last one. Yup, this is my last bottle. I think I got 3 of these, and I went through them. And this is probably like right here. Still a good amount in there. I also got these Enviro wipes right here from CCI. What happened was I bought one of the tubs, and then this is actually my second tub. I bought one of the tubs. There it was I think it was like $10, or I don't know, maybe even less, I don't remember. And then Sunday they were giving away, I think it was buy one get one free or something like that. And the guy was there. He said, hey, you know, I told him, hey, I bought this thing yesterday, is there where I can still get that deal? So he gave me a free one. So I use this to wipe, and then I highly recommend getting one of these tub of towels. I think I got this at Walmart. I actually use this for my hands. So if you get ink on your hands, or you know, if you're not wearing any gloves, this works the best. I tried using this to wipe my hands, the CCI wipes. It took it off, but it's too harsh. So this was pretty good. It works out well. And yeah, so let's go get cleaned up. Oh yeah, Cleanup cards, cleanup cards. Alright, well that's done. Got the screens off, and what we're gonna tackle now are these palette tape. As you can see, just getting it ready. I know I have a job coming up, and let's clean up right now. Put new ones in it. Alright, so next up, we're going to put some markings on the new fresh palettes here. Make sure you have a Sharpie or brand new Sharpie. It works well with a brand new one, so you don't want anything dull. I don't like any fat lines, so try to get as sharp as possible. I like to get the center line. Like to get in between for line up, you know, left chest and right chest. Alright guys, that's it. Cleaned up here. I got new bolts. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I broke off these plastic gates here like this. I gotta replace it. I got new ones, so I'm gonna replace those soon, hopefully in the next couple of days. Well, that's about it guys. I know it's a quick one, I'm just cleaning up, but hopefully you guys learned something from it. I know I don't do it correctly. I'm sure there's a better way of cleaning up, but I don't have a wash booth, so I have to clean everything on press. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Peace.